We'll guide you through how to update your payment method in Stripe. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Stripe dashboard by logging in at stripe.com. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Look to the upper right side menu and click on Settings. Now in the Settings page, scroll down until you see the Billing section. Here, click on Customer Portal, then click the Payment Method. You'll be taken to a page where you can manage all your payment methods. To update an existing payment method, you'll first need to remove the old one. Find the payment method you want to update and click on it. You'll see an option to delete or remove. Click it, and confirm your choice if prompted. Now to add a new payment method, look for the Add Payment Method button, usually located at the top right of the page. Click on it, and a form will appear where you can enter your new payment information. Fill in all the required fields, including card number, expiration date, and security code. Double-check your entries for accuracy, then click the Save or Add button to finalize your update. Your new payment method should now be listed and ready for use. It's a good idea to refresh the page and make sure your new details are correctly displayed. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.